Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is how to check your injector, make sure it's working correctly, and how you to check to see if you have the right power coming back to your injector. So we're going to check that real quick. The injector is not too hard to get to on this bike. It's like right down here on the left side, right beside the throttle body. I don't know if I'll have to move too much stuff. I'm going to get my flashlight and I'll get my camera better in position here, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started just to get to the injector, get to the wire, and then we can kind of get started. Okay, so the injector is basically right behind here. So I'm going to want to remove this fairing for this gas tank. I don't have to remove the gas tank itself, I don't think, but I want to be able to get down to the plugs so I can pop off like this fairing here. And once I get this fairing off, there we go. We can pop this fairing off, and I can see the injector, but I actually want to get to it. So I do actually have videos on how to remove all these fairings, so I'm not going to include that in this video. So I actually just want to get to the injector so I can check the injector. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and remove all this stuff, and I'll meet you right back here. Alrighty, so we're back now. What we're going to do here now is I'm going to show you how to check your injector plug from the wiring harness. There should only be power coming to one of these wires, not two. If you see power coming to two, something's not right, and that will cause your injector to not fire at all. It's not going to open up. Believe it or not, the constant power that's going to be coming to this is just the brown and black wire. Now, the pulse or the signal is going to come through this wire. And that's only going to happen when the bike is started, and and the ECU says, you know, spray some fuel. It's going to spray some fuel. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn our key on. You're not going to hear the fuel pump, obviously, because the fuel pump is not on the bike right now. But if we check these points, so we're going to go to the brown and black wire on this side. We're going to put in our positive. Turn our meter on first. For this, you can turn it on to just 20 volts because you're only going to be checking for 20 or for 12. So if we see our tester here, I'll try to prop that up. There we go. Like I said, I'm on the brown and black wire. I do a ground connect and it goes straight to 12. It should go to about 12.4. Now, if I take my power and put it in the other wire, which is the red and blue wire here, and do that, it shouldn't show any voltage. It shouldn't show anything until it gets the pulse to send down, and then it'll open the injector because it already has the power going to it on the brown and the black wire. So that brown and black wire should be your power wire. If it's not, there's something definitely wrong that you need to look at. I went ahead and turn that off. I also want to go ahead and check the fuel pump wire. So we're going to check it next. And again, on the fuel pump, it should be that brown and black wire for our power. So if we take our red probe here again and stick it in on here. Of course, I put my in the wrong place, and then we get 12.4 again. And that's right. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. And if I go then to my black and white wire, there shouldn't be any power going to that. No. And then this wire here is just for our fuel sending unit. So that just goes to your fuel gauge, so we don't have anything to worry there. But if you are testing your fuel system, you're going to check, and if you notice, it's the same thing for both. It has a black and brown wire on here for the injector, and then when we come back over to the fuel pump, which is this plug here, again, brown and black wire. So check your fuel pump too. See if you have power going through this wire on your fuel pump coming from the wiring harness, and you can check it that way too. But the way it is right now, it's just that brown and black wire that should have power going through it anytime you just turn your key on. So that's it, guys. That's how you check out your wiring harness for your fuel system. It's that easy. So like I said, it's that brown and black wire that's the power wire, and then this Red and blue is the impulse, or the input, and the same thing on this one. It's going to be this black and white wire that's the input wire. So that's it, guys. So hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one.